Nucor is the largest steel and steel products producer in the United States. Our particular division here makes metal buildings, so we take steel in from our sister divisions, convert that into metal buildings and ship those out times. But I got invited to a luncheon where folks from SCMEP were presenting just to talk about themselves to a business group to say, hey, these are the options that we provide, these are some of the things we can help with. And so a year or two had gone by, and we decided we had an upcoming strategic planning meeting for our management team, and we ended up contacting SCMEP, and they offered us a free competitiveness review. And so once we sat around the room and talked about it as a team, we decided that we wanted to undertake the survey, and it became instrumental in that particular strategic planning meeting. So we took a look at that and said, okay, let's get a third eye on here. We all know how to make money, we know how to generate more business, but let's get somebody else to take a look at our business in a critical way, and then take that feedback and see if there's anything that we can do with it. Our team, again, is very experienced in the industry and have been here for a long period of time. With any business, there can be some complacency that slides in there. And so it forced us to critically look at what we were doing, and are we focusing on the right stuff, or are we focusing on the wrong stuff, and should we get rid of that, or should we really try to capitalize on what we really needed to do? Our biggest focus was retaining and growing our market share. This is a very competitive business that we're in, and if you don't go renew those relationships, you will lose those relationships. And if you do not go after new and replacement relationships, then you're just not going to have any market. And so our market share continues to grow, which has led into the expansion and things that we're doing here now. And by focusing on what we did today and how we can improve efficiency, etc., we had record safety year, record quality year, record profitability. All of those things which led to the decision to add capital here at this division, because we have proved that we are capable and can provide an effective return on our company and for our shareholders. Our relationship with SCMEP is extremely positive, highly recommended to other folks, and our plan is to go back in probably 5 years on our next strategic planning cycle. Have them take a look at how are we utilizing the expansion, how are we utilizing the additional folks and teammates that we have on board, and are we utilizing them to the best that we possibly can at that point in time. We expect to have a long relationship with SCMEP and share it with our other divisions as well. The value that it provided us as a team here in Swansea was fantastic, and one that we will continue to use in the future.